Hi everybody, welcome again to your English class with teacher Blanca Valencia. Let's begin. The topic for today's class will be verb to be past tense. Verb to be past tense in English has two forms, was and were. Was and were make the past tense of verb to be. Now let's see, where do we use was? We use was with the pronoun I. I was. Where is for you were, then she was, he was, it was, we were, you were, and they were. That is the affirmative form. Now repeat with me the verb to be, past tense, affirmative form. Let's begin. Let's read together. I was. You were. He was. She was. It was. We were. You were. And they were. Now, let's see some examples of affirmative sentences. Take a look at this photo. This hamburger looks delicious. I ate the hamburger and it was delicious. It was delicious. Can you see this picture? Do you know who she is? She is Frida Kahlo. Do you know what she did? She was a famous painter. She was a painter. Now you can see her better. She was a painter. Okay then, now let's see this. Delicious, right? But this soup was too hot, very hot. The soup was very hot. I burned my mouth because the soup was very hot. Okay, take a look at this ice cream. Do you like chocolate ice cream? Well, I ate a chocolate ice cream like this, and it was good. The ice cream was good, was really good. Let's read the sentence one more time. The ice cream was good. Now let's see some examples with were. My parents went to visit the pyramids and they were really happy. Let's read the sentence. My parents were happy. My parents went to visit the pyramids and they were happy. These are my cousins. They are now in first grade of primary. But last year, they were in kindergarten. They were in kindergarten last year. Right now, they are in primary. Now, look at these delicious cake pops. Can we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cake pops. But I gave these cake pops to my sister. Let's read the sentence. They were 7 cake pops. I gave my sister 7 cake pops. Now let's see this one example. What can you see? 2 happy dogs. Well, I took the dogs to the park yesterday and they were very happy. Dogs were very happy yesterday when I took them to the park. Now we're going to talk about the negative form of verb to be in past tense. We form the negative verb to be by adding the word not after the verb was or were. Let's see. This is how we make the negative sentences. First, we have the subject, then was or were, and then not. Let's see some examples. Now let's continue with another example of negative sentences. Take a look at this delicious pizza. But it was not hot. The pizza was not hot. It wasn't hot. Who is this? This is my dog. My dog was not black. My dog was white. Let's see the sentence. My dog was not black. It was white. My dog was not black. Well, look at this apple. What color is it? Is it green? No. Here I have a sentence that says, the apple was green. But if you look at the apple, you see that it was not green. It was red. So, the apple was not green. The apple was not green. It was red. Let's continue now with sentences using the verb were. Look at his face. Look at her face. Look at these people. They say they were happy at the party. Do you think they were happy? No. They were not happy. Let's read the sentence. Okay? They were not happy at the party. Very well. Now, let's see this. Look at this picture. What shape do the watermelon slices have? Circle, rectangle, square, triangle. Let's look at this sentence. The watermelon slices. They were not squared. They were triangles. They were not squared. Let's take a look at this picture. Do you know this building, this monument? It's the Eiffel Tower. Is it in Italy? No. Did we go to Italy last month? No. We were not in Italy. We were in France. We were in Paris. We were not in Italy. When we speak English, it is more common to use contractions. Now let's see the contracted form of verb to be past tense. I was not. I wasn't. I wasn't. You were not. You weren't. You weren't. He was not. He wasn't. He wasn't. She was not. She wasn't. She wasn't. It was not. It wasn't. It wasn't. We were not. We weren't. We weren't. You were not. You weren't. You weren't. They were not. They weren't. They weren't. When we make questions with the verb to be past tense, we need to put the verb was or were before the subject. Like this. Was I late? Were you sick? When we ask questions in verb to be past tense, we have to give short answers. For example, do you remember the sentence about the pizza? Was it cold? Was the pizza cold? Yes, it was. It was cold. Was it hot? Was the pizza hot? No, it wasn't. The pizza wasn't hot. Now, let's talk about the apple. Was it red? Was the apple red? Yes, it was. The apple was red. Was it green? Was the apple green? No, it wasn't. The apple wasn't green. It was red. The short answers with the verb were are like this. Do you remember these dogs? Were the dogs happy at the park? Yes, they were. Were the dogs happy? Yes, they were. Were these dogs sad at the park? Were the dogs sad? No, they weren't. They weren't sad. They were happy. Do you remember the watermelon slices? Were the watermelon slices triangles? Yes, they were. They were triangles. Were the watermelon slices squares? No, they weren't. They weren't squares. They were triangles. We can begin questions with verb to be past tense with question words. WH question words like why, what, who, where, etc. For example, why were they happy? because they were in a party. Or with the question word, what? What flavor was your ice cream? It was a chocolate ice cream. What flavor was your ice cream? It was chocolate ice cream. Now with the question word, who? Who was Frida Kahlo? Who was Frida Kahlo? She was a famous Mexican painter, Mexican artist. Or the question word, where? Where did you go on vacation? Where were you on vacation last summer? Where did you go on vacation? Where were you last summer? We were in the pyramids. We were visiting the pyramids. And this is all for today's class. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye. See you next class.